Welcome to the video where we solve a common problem faced by many data analysts. The problem we're tackling today involves unpacking a data frame column that contains a list of dictionaries. This can be a real headache when trying to restructure the data for better analysis and visualization purposes. Now, let's delve into the solution that will make your data manipulation task much more efficient. The code provided constructs a new data frame by iterating through the rows of the original data frame. By using a dictionary comprehension within a list comprehension, it extracts the necessary information from the fields column and creates a new data frame with the desired structure. In continuation with the solution, the newly constructed data frame is then printed, showcasing the transformed data with each field from the original list of dictionaries now represented as separate columns. This approach eliminates the need for nested loops and directly creates the desired output in a more concise and elegant manner. To sum up, by following this approach, you can efficiently unpack and restructure complex data types within data frames. This solution offers a streamlined alternative to traditional iterative methods, enhancing the readability and effectiveness of your data processing workflow. I hope you found this video helpful and entertaining. Remember to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Keep coding and stay awesome.